Hi, I'm Rita Zahara. I'm about to share with you one very simple recipe that only requires 4 ingredients, and they are water, about 700 milliliters, rose syrup, 125 milliliters, evaporated milk, 150 milliliters, and one secret ingredient, ice cream soda. But it's important that you only add that particular ingredient as the very last step. Let's begin. Rose syrup into the water. Give it a quick stir. Within minutes, you'll see something happen. The color's about to change to a beautiful liquid. And Bandung is a very popular Malay drink. And this one will add a little bit of fizzle into your drink, ice cream soda. You probably can't see the difference very much, but when you taste it, you can actually taste the difference. And now it's ready to be served. It's very important for you to actually mix the rose syrup, evaporated milk together with the water first before you add on the soda, so as not to confuse all the different ingredients, and it will look perfectly just like this. And ready to serve with a bit of ice cubes, 2 glasses. Put in the ice cubes first. Like I said, you can't actually see the difference, why there's something different in this particular Bandung. So you will surprise your guests because the moment they take a sip, they realize there's something different. There's a fizzy twist into this particular Bandung.